rolling. Out of Pennsylvania's run, grease and sparkling old rhymes, hard and tune, ringing classics back to jingle. Cause and Spitfire roll, every bolt another story. Bring repair, he'll restore it and sweat the daily glory. Lost Ridge Garage, the name, engine roars and metal flames, turning rust into the bay with every beat the channel bangs. Welding fast and steady.
There you go. What we were up to last video. I am not much further than where I was, but I did do body work on the wife's car. I got some new metal. Got some 16 gauge to finish up the frame sections. Some 18 gauge for body panels, because I'm going to need them on my truck. But I'll just do a kind of a slideshow with a little bit of music on what I got done with the car.
Rusty braids now gleaming new. With his touch they rise and stand, rolling free through skies of blue. Camera catches every scene from the sharp chaotic dance. Step by step keeping machines in the game another chance. Lost Ridge Garage, the name, engine roars and metal flames.
Yeah, all I did is I just cracked down. I needed to get that car, that area done, because inspection is coming up next weekend. I got an appointment to get it aligned and an inspection, and I needed to kick that out. So about four hours worth, and then we're going to start on the truck. I'll show you that. Yeah, I'd like to get some get some paint, try to respray the tailgate. I ain't gonna really worry too much about it. Get the trailer hitch all cleaned up. But I did do this section years ago, and it's coming back through, so that'll have to be done. I don't dare take these off, because I'll be just opening up a can of worms. But I got some spots like the cab corners. I do have new cab corners to go in at the bottom of that door, and there's a couple spots I need to tend to, as you can see up on the roof. Get those sanded and painted. The hood is kind of loose in its clear coat, and worst is this side. From the body line down, need to redo it all. You can see there's a crease runs along. Before I bought it, he said that his boy ditched it. I ain't worried about it. This cab corner need to take care of. Again, same spot. Chevys and GMCs are known to rust out. So I'm depainting. I don't want to pull that flare just because I'll be opening up another can of worms. Just cut that out and replace. Make it to where the truck is usable, kind of presentable. But oh, and here's the section I did on the wife's car. It's not the greatest, but it's better than what it was. It'll get through inspection. Yeah, same on that side. But like I said, I'm not a body man. I can do mediocre work to good enough. I mean, if I really wanted to take my time to get that panel perfectly smooth, everything like that, I could have. But I don't have that kind of time. I got other things I got to attend to, so good enough. We're going to get back on the frame again. I got to move tools around. And I did get some more parts for my TR6, full box full of goodies. Got a few things rearranged. I still need to get these parts out of the garage, so I can, once I get done with the frame, then I can start on them, get them onto the frame. Because the quicker I can get this frame finished, the sooner I can get to pulling the body off of the frame on the car, and get this one slipped underneath, and then go from there. Just had someone pull in, so see you in a bit. Yeah, and if it ain't one thing, it's another. Freaking air compressor started getting a knock in the pump section. Take a listen. So she is done. Time to find the compressor motor. The electric motor is fine. It's the pump itself. Can't freaking win. We'll see what we can dig up. I'm going to need it. It gave out toward the end of doing that on the wife's car. Started just a knock, then quit, and then come and knock, and now it's full time. Has plenty of gear oil in it, because I just topped that off a couple months ago, and it's fine. Ain't leaking. It's an old compressor I got at. Well, first, a friend of mine's dad had a body shop, and he used it. And then he got a new compressor, and my stepdaughter's husband got it. He ran it for a while. Then I think he got a new one. And just unhooked that one, put it off to the side, and I brought it here, and that was 7 years ago. And it's been working fine up till now. So, hey, I can't complain, but I'm going to look around, see if I can find one. Got a lot going on here in the garage. Got to get caught up. But sorry for this little short video. And just kind of give you guys a heads up what I'm doing. I got to order parts for the suspension, which I'm going to minimize what I need to order. And I need to get the frame, once it's finished, sandblasted, coated. I need to buy some paint to coat it, get it all put back together, and then we'll work on getting the body off. I'm going to worry about the motor and transmission in a different, probably, I don't know if I should do that first, because it would make life a lot simpler getting the motor and transmission in the frame before moving the body. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think, how I should go about it. But it's becoming about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I haven't had lunch. I'm getting hungry. I got a few other things I got to do before the end of the day. And so I'm going to call this one. Thank you guys if you hung up this long in the video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this kind of stuff, why don't you subscribe? It's free. If you keep coming back to watch my stuff, subscribe, and it will let you know that I post new stuff. It really helps me out. give a big thumbs up, leave a comment. I try to reply to all my comments, and it's a good way for me to find your channel. Share it out. That really helps out the algorithm. I need some watch time to be able to get monetized and maybe make a few bucks instead of spending a bunch of money. But thank you guys, and we will see you on the next one. Why don't you check out that video? You might like it. I hope you do. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.